Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, back at it again, and today we'll be reviewing NetMind AI, which is the powerhouse for the future, quite realistically, guys. So today we will focus on NetMind. I will introduce you to it, I will tell you about their projects and products, guys. We'll also take a look at their token, at the utility of the token, and at the pure potential of the token, which in my opinion is really huge. So guys, stay till the end, enjoy the video. But before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibilities for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive into this video finally, guys. So NetMind, guys, let me first introduce you to NetMind, tell you a few words about them, where they are based out of, you know, so you can get a better understanding of what we are actually taking a look at today. So NetMind, guys, is a pioneering technology company dedicated to advancing the field of artificial general intelligence, which is shortened for AGI, safely and responsibly, guys. They are headquartered in London, UK. The mission is to democratize access to cutting-edge AI technologies. They really strive to make significant contributions to AGI development, ensuring it benefits society as a whole through ethical and responsible practices, guys. And this is the website, as you can see, where you can check out, for example, NetMind Power, which I want to talk about. So NetMind Power, guys, is a decentralized computing platform and AI ecosystem accelerate global AI innovation. And if you actually go to NetMindAI, you can check out what it is all about, how you can earn with it, what you can do here, and what it exactly does, okay? So if you want to learn more, generally speaking, about the project itself and about NetMind Power or other, as you can see, NetMind products, NetMind chat, and so on, then you can basically click here and it will redirect you to each of these pages, guys. So let me focus on NetMind Power now. NetMind Power, guys, is a decentralized computing platform dedicated to developing infrastructure technology and an ecosystem for future AGI, making AI both accessible and affordable for everyone, guys. So essentially, they are building a decentralized computing platform and AI ecosystem, okay? And the global decentralized computing platform based on NMT, which is their token, so that's one of the utilities of the token, as I said at the beginning of the video, will mobilize idle computing power and match supply with demand, guys. And the AI ecosystem, encompassing the sync to async training platform, inference platform, open source model library and AI datasets, and advanced data model and encryption technique, is designed to provide a cost-effective and efficient way to build and deploy AI applications, guys. And the thing is that it will be affordable for everyone, and also very intuitive and easy to use. So they are deeply invested in cutting-edge AI research, guys. They run an in-house research team and collaborate with globally renowned universities and research institutions, guys, okay? So they are really having all of these collaborations and business partners that I want to talk about here, okay? So they are really invested when it comes to that, guys. So this enables them to continually conduct groundbreaking research, ensuring that the platform itself remains at the forefront of AI technology, because at the end of the day, they are all about artificial intelligence, guys. So they need to stay up to date with all the new things happening within this sector, okay? And guys, NMT, the token itself, which we'll talk about in a second, but well, what a nice amount we have here, actually, $9.99, guys, but we'll talk about this, as I said, in just a second. So NMT, guys, is the native utility token of NetMind chain, okay? So users can use NMT to purchase computing power and obtain further AI services in NetMind Power. NMT itself has achieved organic growth, guys, and they have received high recognition from the community. So far, they have over 20,000 holders, which is very promising, and they have a big trading volume of over $6 million in last 24 hours, guys, okay? So this also looks very, very promising. So as you guys can see, what they also have here is the partnerships, as I said, okay? So there are the partnerships right there, and you can check out that they are really working with major players when it comes to research, when it comes to crypto as well, technology overall. So it's great to see this. they have the research partners that I'm talking about, and as you can see, they have real universities here. So it also shows you the names behind NetMind, which is crazy if you look at the names here. Okay, we have Michigan State University, as you can see, University of Edinburgh as well. So worldwide, really worldwide. As you can see, Shanghai, I'm not gonna try to pronounce that, but also we have a Chinese, as you can see, university. So really worldwide, they are working with the best of the best universities, research partners and business partners to basically have NetMind all up to date, guys. Okay, NetMind really does solve a lot of challenges if you think about it, guys. You can also take a look at their white paper, check out all of the products here, check out how they are working, what are the advantages, how the token looks like and how it works, which we'll also talk about in just a little second, guys. So it really does apply to a lot of things. What I also wanted to talk about more, guys, are these challenges that I wanted to tell you about. But you know, before we do that, I also wanted to highlight other products. So you have the chat, you have Avagi here, as you can see. They are really developing all of this stuff, guys, for you, for us, for all of us basically. So it's really great to see that they're doing pretty good at it, okay, as you can see. They also have the NetMind Life, which is pretty interesting if you think about it. So you can see this is about life, as it says, and about the longevity of life, of health, lifestyle, you know, all of this good stuff that we can apply to our daily life in order to make it better, you know, and to expand our life expectancy. So it's really cool to see that they're working in all of these different sectors as well. Okay, that's what I really want to highlight throughout this video, guys. So let's move on into the challenges that they are solving, guys. So NetMind Power. Let's get back to NetMind Power. Let's pull it up real quick. NetMind Power, guys, okay, addresses several significant challenges in the AI industry, particularly around decentralizing AI development, guys. First of all, we have computing resource accessibility. It reduces barriers to high-performance computing by decentralizing access, allowing more users to leverage powerful computing resources for AI tasks. Guys, we have cost efficiency as well. By aggregating idle GPUs and other computing resources, NetMind Power lowers the costs associated with AI development, making it more affordable for small enterprises and individual researchers. Scalability and flexibility. They offer a scalable solution that adjusts dynamically to the computing needs of users, providing flexibility in resource allocation and usage, guys. Inclusivity and AI development. By democratizing access to AI tools and resources, NetMind Power aims to reduce the monopolistic hold large corporations have on AI advancements, fostering a more inclusive environment for AI development. So they really want to, you know, make it accessible for everyone, which is what I really love about them myself. Okay, so we had a look at Power, we had a look at the white paper, at the chat and other products, guys. Meanwhile, I wanted to recommend you to go ahead and follow them on Twitter, and for this case we will do it together. So guys, 3, 2, 1, let's click our mouses. Okay, 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, just like that we are followed. They're really active here, that's what I wanted to say. 500 posts, and they are actively posting about different, you know, updates and stuff that is happening within NetMind and AI and all of that. Conferences, as you can see, a lot of cool information that you can learn from this Twitter, so, or X as they call it now. So I recommend you to go ahead and check it out, guys. So last but not least, let's finally focus on the token, guys. NetMind token, guys, is the native utility token of the NetMind chain. The total supply of NMT is 147,163 million tokens, as you can see here, and all tokens were locked in a smart contract which will gradually unlock the tokens according to the allocation plan. Okay, NetMind token, guys, is designed to serve multiple functions within the platform, including payment for training and inference on the platform, and as a rewards for users who contribute their idle GPU resources for the network, guys. They are aggregating money functions on NetMind Power. They are pioneering in the market with a project revolutionizing the AI landscape by providing professional services suiting the masses, guys. Okay, and as I said, you can find the information about the token in the white paper. So you go to NetMind token number 7 here, and that's where you can check out the allocation plan that I just told you about, how it will all be distributed. As you can see, over the years, the supply will be slowly but surely distributed to also ensure a stable growth, and so it doesn't dump, because people also sometimes can't appreciate good projects. But here, no doubt, it has a lot of potential, guys. They're ranking around 300-ish, 260 something on CoinMarketCap, I believe. But the ranking at the end of the day is not what we care about. We care about utility, we care about the potential, okay? So guys, let's zoom out the chart to 7 freaking days, okay? 70% up in 7 days. I'm bringing this to you as early as I can, okay? Because I'm not gonna even lie to you, I was sleeping on this project, and I wish I have discovered them earlier, and that I loaded my bugs earlier than that, because then I could have been pretty freaking rich if you think about it. But honestly, speaking about the token, guys, let's have a look at the market cap. 334 million. At first might seem like a lot, but as you can see, they are ranking 230. Okay, my bad. So they're 230. We can see it here, guys. This is still incredible, tremendous potential for growth of this market cap. This could easily 10x from here, I would say, even 20, 30x. And if you think about it, this could put NMT at 100, 200, 300 bucks a token, guys, which in the long run, if you were to even, you know, just invest purely in token blindly, let's say, this could give you some serious gains. But obviously, as I always tell you, do your own research, do your own due diligence, but also always look at the utility, guys, okay? Always look at the utility, always look at what the project offers, and see whether they have something real, whether they have a real product behind them, okay? Which NetMind absolutely does. So that's why I'm stressing sort of on this token, to say and to tell you that they have the potential to go pretty huge, especially during this 2024 market, which so far, guys, I'm not gonna lie, is pretty good for us, okay? So if you want to also learn more about them, they have the whole about section here, guys, as you can see, the goals, what I was also telling you about, and they have the team, guys, which actually the team is last but not least. The team, guys, is pretty huge and experienced, okay? They are fully transparent. You can check out their LinkedIn, social medias, X, Twitters, you know, so you can check out what kind of people there are in NetMind and see that they are really educated, highly educated people that have a lot of background in the sectors that NetMind is focusing on. So honestly, guys, this could be the project of 2024. I'm saying this, you know, with confidence here. And that will be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what you think about NetMind, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I wanted to release it to you before I go on a leave, so you can actually, you know, maybe get in before this thing skyrockets. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.